welcome back. Today we're playing Tasty Planet Forever. And I've unlocked a bunch of the other ones so we'll keep playing even if we don't have enough money to buy them. Okay, let's get started. First, the cat. A lesson in cleanliness. Oh, it's filthy here. Not for long. I got this. A tiny cat. A prototype cleaning robot for my cousin. Now ready to receive eating instructions. Hurry, customers will be here soon. Eat everything. Meow, affirmative. Oh no. Pretty sure something's gonna go wrong. What are we eating? Beef? Whoa, taco. Ooh, I can eat the cockroaches. Pretty sure. Why is there a bunch of peas and I don't know cockroaches on your floor? Did someone drop up a whole box of peas or something? What do the customers really love peas that somehow they bought a bunch of peas and dropped it on the floor? And why is there a bunch of cockroaches in this place? Don't they know to clean up something? They can't use poison. A bunch of rats too. They don't even think of cleaning this place until now. They use a cat and said, just eat everything. Sure. Now I'm eating rats. I mean, that's kind of normal because I'm a cat, but still, why am I eating cockroaches and everything? Oh, that's right, because the guy told me to. I'm not gonna touch knives. I'm pretty sure that's a bad idea. Seriously, there's a bunch of bread on the floor. Knives and bottles. Dude. Who keeps dropping these stuff? Who? Why? Who? What? There's a bunch of bread that are... Ow. Dude. There's a bunch of bottles, knives, and bread in the floor. Why? Oh, now I'm eating knives. Sure, that's a healthy diet. I'm still confused on how there's billions of random things on the floor. Oh, now there's waiters. And they don't even care. The restaurant's literally trashed like a bomb. Why is there knives everywhere? Bottles, breadsticks, or whatever. Dude, the customers don't even care about it. Fine, I'll clean all of it. That's my job after all. Clean up humanity too, by eating it. Might as well eat it so they won't cause more trouble. Get here. Waiter! I need to eat some humans. What? Might as well eat humanity while cleaning up this mess so they won't cause any more. Where are you coming from? Clean, like the human they are. They always eat and they obey. Now I'm eating giant Cheerios. And not giant Cheerios. And now I'm eating humans inside Cheerios. Customers.
Like everything else.
Okay. Cool. Next level. Leave the field. The arrow points to the largest nearby entity you can eat. Sure. Ooh, a poodle? What? Why am I eating poodle? Ow, what did I... Did something hurt me? Ow! Dude. Why is there just random poodle dogs everywhere? Okay. So the street is just for bikers, I guess. This is a tourist? Why is there a bunch of tourists everywhere? Poodles and random trees and bikers. Sure, it's a biker. I don't know what that thing is called, but I'll call it a biker street. Oh, now I can eat the bikers. Oh no, it's cyclists. Well, I guess I thought they were bikers. Why are they brown? They're all in the same shirt. So is the tourist. Are they all brothers? Are they all related? That's probably not the case. Maybe they just had, I don't know, one for the day or something, whatever. Get back here. Wow, I'm the fastest cat alive. Gotta say. The more the big, the more the faster. Seriously, aren't the people... Is it the... Shouldn't the news be here by now? Something? Shouldn't they make Shouldn't they make a news about this? Shouldn't the police be here by now? Are they even doing anything? Dude, they should have been here by now. Level complete. Nice. Level 3. Wait, there's a giant can in my soup. Okay, I'll be in your soup, I guess. Oh, croissant. Great. There's more bread bottles and breadsticks on the floor again. Great. Might as well eat everyone here too. They said eat everything, Aral. After all, they said eat everything. So, sure, I am a robot after all. How am I eating all this and getting bigger? And why did they design me a cat? That makes no sense unless cats eat a bunch. Whoa, I'm fast. Fastest cat I've ever seen. I mean, all cats are fast, so... Oh, now I'm eating waiters. And now, wait, what was that one? That guy was different. Oh, I was eating a croissant. Waiter! There's a giant cat in my restaurant. Like that's ever gonna do anything. Yes, now it's time for me to clean up humanity by eating them. It's kind of a giant kitchen. What kind of kitchen they have in here? Dude, this is enough to make a mall. Dude, it's like a mall but food mall or something. Oh, now I'm eating tables. Family table. Waiter. There's no waiters in the building. Pretty sure no one's gonna take the order now. Hey lady, better run. Why is no one running away from me? They see me eating everything and they're like, yeah, I'll stay here and wait for my soup or whatever. They're waiting for their food or something. Ooh. Eat everything, yes. But the lady's still not running. The customers are idiots. They're not running away. Isn't it a good idea to run away, moron? Oh, now I'm eating the whole kitchen. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, no, what? There's one waiter. No more. The guy will probably be like, where'd the restaurant go? And I'll be like, I ate it. Countertop? What's that? I still don't know. I ate the waiter. That's the last premises. Somewhere beyond the streets. Okay. Ooh, eating everything. Is this an outside restaurant? more Parisian. Oh, we're in Paris. Pretty sure we're in Paris. Hurry! Prutas. About prutas. Oh my god, video. Still don't know why there's a why is the news not doing anything about this? Shouldn't the police be here by now? I'll make on video. I'm still confused on why the police isn't doing anything about this. Dude, the police still isn't here. Shouldn't they be alerted by now by someone calling 911 or something? I don't know. I don't know what number you use to call the police. Well, now I'm eating bushes? Tables? I don't know. Oh, I'm eating an umbrella. That looks nothing like an umbrella. And now I'm eating street lamps and bushes. More bushes, more bushes, more bushes, random bushes. Why is the bushes randomly colored? Multicolored bushes. And multicolored trees too. Okay, so there's multicolored trees in the streets. Bushes here, my bushes, bush, lamps. Dude, there's like a billion lamps here. Now I'm eating cars. And people still haven't called the police. Now I'm eating on. Oh no, wait, I thought it was all wrong. Seriously, the police still does nothing about it. Now I'm eating trees. And the police still isn't here. Dude, does no one care about this city? Is there no mayor or something? Dude, no one literally cares about this city. I can't even go through the streets now. Oh wait, I can. Oh, now I'm eating buildings. And the police still doesn't care. Okay, what? Oh, now I'm supposed to eat brown ones only. Okay. I want to eat the red macaron. What's a macaron? Ooh. Oh, no, I ate one. Oh, that's a fast one. Oh, I ate two. There you go. I only ate two. And I got 1 star. Okay, that should do it for today, guys. I said see you on the next video. Bye-bye.